The Great Adventures of Ben, the Kite and the Key. Once upon a time, in a busy town called Boston, a little boy named Ben was born. Ben was very curious and loved to learn new things. When Ben grew up, he worked with his older brother in a printing shop, but Ben dreamed of having his own adventures. So he packed his bags and moved to a new city called Philadelphia. In Philadelphia, Ben worked very hard. He started his own printing shop and made newspapers and special books called almanacs. These books were full of wise and funny sayings that people loved to read. Ben wasn't just a printer. He was also a scientist. He was fascinated by electricity and wanted to learn all its secrets. One stormy day, Ben had a daring idea. He decided to fly a kite in a thunderstorm to see if he could catch the lightning. He tied a metal key to the kite string. As the storm raged, a bolt of lightning struck the kite. The electricity traveled down the string to the key. Ben was very careful and learned so much about electricity that day. Ben was also a great inventor. He created special glasses called bifocals, which helped people see both near and far. He also invented a new kind of stove that kept people's homes warmer and a lightning rod to keep their houses safe from storms. Ben loved his city and wanted to make it a better place. He started a library so everyone could read books, and he helped create a hospital and a fire department. Ben helped his country, the United States, become a new and independent nation. People all over the world admired his wisdom and kindness. Ben's great adventures and clever ideas are still remembered today, and his face is even on the $100 bill.